going to work.
Yeah, yeah. So I got blazers on.
Yeah,
So there you go, because I'm late.
That's my first ever check.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Magandang aga sa inyong kanan. Magandahan. Ignore your daughter. Ignore her.
Yes, but when you were a police officer in their situation, you would have lied.
This is what she's been wanting all the time.
Just like they were.
This is Dimples. I don't know where Sam's.
They have discovered those pants on their
What are you
own
doing?
within minutes of applying for a search warrant.
What are you doing?
They took the easy. The thrush roll has microfibers that mop, and soft bristles that gently scrub and sweeten the skin. Powerful suction pulls the dirty water into a separate bin. They get a special offer. Go to
Come here. Come in. Misty. Come in. Come in. Come in. Let's go. Yeah.
Get down. Down, both of you.
Yeah.
Why not?
If he do that, guys, like, yeah, that means he want me to make it, but I didn't make it. He really want me to make it, but
I make it better.
seriously,
Seriously.
I'm not making it anymore. Then going to work.
Yeah, yeah. So I got blazers on.
Yeah.
So there you go, because I'm late.
See you later.
Bye, guys.
Oh, why you step on her? She's big enough.
She's hovering.
I love you.
You too.
Okay, he's going to work. We'll see you guys tonight later if I'm not sleeping yet. Yep, baby boy. Usually I'm in bed.
Yeah.
I am going to the grocery store, but I have to eat lunch first because I kinda just ate 2 pandesal and it's not enough, so I'm gonna eat rice and chicken before. Hi guys. Oh, lobat. Hold on guys, it's lobat. No, doesn't matter. I'm going to get some food, guys. I'm gonna go grocery to get some for my ginataan. So it's lobat anyway, so I don't know why I bring you guys. So anyway, I will see you later, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna go grocery, and anyway, I just get back, guys. You know what I pick up, guys? Cascade for the dishwasher because we don't have, and squash and bok choy. That's it. I'm looking for also a, how do you call that, guys? I was also looking for shrimp, but this is the problem about Stop and Shop, guys. If I went to ShopRite is crowded. Even Stop and Shop is so crowded, guys, like crazy. Tapos na, this is the squash. It's really labo. Kung sa Bisaya pa, guys, if it's in Bisaya dialect, labo kayo siya. That means it's a good quality of squash, because there is different kind of squash that is kind of like, it's not, there's no crunch when you cut it. This one, it make noise, and it's really hard to explain. And this is the bok choy. And I cut onion, ginger, garlic, and red bell pepper, and then yung dahon sa bok choy. And then of course, I think I'm gonna use 2 of this. I'm also watching King Kong. Let me see the title. Yeah, King Kong. I love this one. It's just kind of amazing. Tapos na akong nagluto. So yung ginawa ko, I fry the salmon. It's snowing again, guys. After frying that to brown the salmon up, I sauteed the garlic, the onion, and the ginger, and then I put the squash and together with the bok choy, you know, yung hard part ng bok choy, pichay. And then I add 1 can of coconut milk and add a little bit of water. At saka I let it boil to cook the thing. And then I add the bok choy leaves. The last part, I add the salmon that I fried. I put it in the side that it won't go mush, you know, when I keep mixing it. So yun, and then guys, I add the spinach. And so yun lang guys. So tapos na. It's so good. Yung kalbasa, na miss ko talaga. I really do miss that good quality of squash. And also guys, I'm gonna add this to this video. Somebody asked me, I forgot the person that comment the video about how I started YouTube. I think I did told you already. I started YouTube long time ago. It's not like posting video. It's just an account on YouTube is 2013. And I don't remember when I really did start posted, but post like once a month or twice a month. You know, it's not like every day now. I started doing vlog. I started doing everyday upload last year. That means it's not long time ago. It's the last week of November last year. Okay, let me talk. You sit over there. Behave. Yeah, so I started really daily vlogging. I did vlog, but I don't really upload every day. And yeah, I posted different kind of videos, but it's not every day. Yeah. Yung kita guys sa YouTube, the earnings sa YouTube guys, it's hindi siya magkapareha. So it's not the same every month. Every month there is a low, you know, monthly thing. And guys, I don't really get, you know, like other YouTubers, like, you know, there is money in there, but it's not like hundreds, like, you know, it's like, you know, like you're lucky. I'm lucky if I get $100 a month. So hindi siya magkapareha. It's different every month. That I can tell you that. For example, I'm just giving you an example. And what happened was, when I think November 29, 2015, I started doing AdSense. And then January, like November, December, January, the first week, the January, then I received $150. That's my first ever. That's my first ever check. I got check deposit, direct deposit to my bank account. And then you know why I have 115? Because from my previous vlog, I monetized it. I did monetize the video, but I monetized my video, but I don't, you get me, that I don't know that you have to go to AdSense, like a Google AdSense. You have to register, put your account, put your information, social security and stuff like that. So I don't know that, but I did monetize my video, but I never really did Google AdSense, which is the one they pay you. The Google AdSense will pay you. So when I opened the Google AdSense November 2015, then in January 2016, last year January, I received my first ever 150. That 150 guys is from the video that I did monetize, but I don't get that money because there's no way that they can put the money somewhere, because I don't registered in AdSense. So that's what happened. So I get 150 first check from Google AdSense. So after the 150 that month, I don't get any later, but there is money in there, like $11, $20, and they don't give it to you until you reach the $100 a month. If you know, if umabot sa $100 yung pera. I started getting money monthly since I really like constant uploading video, even before. So yun lang guys ang ma-explain ko. So yun, hindi magkapareha monthly salary in YouTube. It depends on the views. So if you guys wanna start YouTube, just, you know, just if and then you don't know how to start, because somebody sent me, she doesn't know how to start. All you have to do, guys, that's where I learned also in YouTube. There's a lot of tutorial how to start up YouTube, how to start your account, how to register AdSense, how to connect your YouTube to Google AdSense, stuff like that, to monetization, stuff like that. So if you wanna do it, you know, just look tutorial and just, you know, just enjoy doing it. Hi guys, good night guys, good night. Ano na guys, it's still very early, you know. Time check, it's 7:33 in the evening. And I'm in bed. Well, I'm not in bed, but I'm in the room. That's why I'm here, because I want to be sleeping early, because tomorrow I don't want to be like sleepy at work, you know. I just wanna work, and that's it. Anyway guys, thank you guys all so much for watching. I don't know guys if I'm able to do a video today or for tomorrow, but anyway guys, thank you all guys so much for watching. Good night guys. Yeah, so tomorrow is the day. I have to leave her early, like 10 o'clock in the morning, and be out at 8 o'clock over there. So bye, good night guys.
No one compares, you stand alone to every record I own. Music to